Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Chevy Silverado EV. Let's start by understanding the different charging levels. Your Silverado EV supports three main types: Level 1, Level 2, and DC fast charging. Level 1 uses a standard 120-volt outlet, perfect for overnight top-ups. Level 2 provides a much quicker charge, ideal for home installations or public stations. For everyday charging at home, Level 1 is convenient but slow, adding about 3 miles of range per hour. Level 2 is significantly faster, capable of adding up to 34 miles of range per hour. To utilize Level 2 at home, you'll need a 240-volt outlet, similar to what an electric dryer uses, and a compatible charging unit. This setup makes overnight charging very practical. When you're on the road and need a quick boost, DC fast charging is your best option. These high-power stations can significantly reduce your charging time. Many public charging networks offer DC fast charging, allowing you to add a substantial amount of range in a short period. For example, you could gain 100 miles of range in roughly 10 minutes, getting you back on the road quickly. To get the most out of your charging experience, consider preconditioning your battery before plugging in, especially in colder weather. This optimizes charging efficiency. Also, use your truck's navigation or a dedicated charging app to easily find available public stations, including DC fast chargers, along your route. And hey, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.